Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
Okay, so Vedanta, let's go ahead. I know we've been kind of working through this article and I want to keep going here. So research clearly shows, and I may not have you read the whole paragraph, but I just want you to get into that rhythm, Vedanta, okay?
Okay. Research clearly shows these effects of mindset. In one study that Dr. Dweck did with Dr. Claudia Muller, they had children do a set of puzzles and then they praised the kids. To some of the kids, they said, "Wow, that's a really good score. You must be smart at this." That's fixed mindset praise because it portrays intelligence or abilities as a fixed quality. To other kids, they said, "Wow, that's a really good score. You must have tried really hard."
Okay, I'm gonna stop you there. I want you to slow down and I want you to move your mouth more. So you're not getting as full of movement on your vowels, and I want just more movement. And I think that if you slow down, you're gonna kind of get into that rhythm a little bit more. Remember, linking kind of helps connect words together in that rhythm. So start here. To some of the kids, they said, "Wow," kind of slow it down so we can really get into those vowels. Because vowels, there's short vowels, there's long vowels, especially the long vowels, they're going to need more movement in the mouth, okay? So let's really get that movement going.
Okay. To some of the kids, they said, "Wow, that's a really good score. You must be smart at this." That's fixed mindset praise because it portrays intelligence or abilities as a fixed quality. To other kids, they said, "Wow, that's a really good score. You must have tried."
So I really like that pace, and I want you to go at that pace where you're really kind of, it's almost like you're savoring the words. You're really hanging on the words and playing with those vowels so that it has a more, instead of just speed up, slow down, it has a more consistent pace. To some of the kids, they said, "Wow, that's a really good score." Okay, you must be smart at this. Okay, do that phrase for me.
To some of the kids, they said, "Wow, that's a really good score. You must be smart at this."
Okay, so remember we've talked about just taking a few sentences and just really playing with it and really working with that sentence and and just holding on to words and playing with the rhythm and intonation within those just couple of sentences. Okay, and the more you kind of play around with that, the more you'll get comfortable with that slower pace, that more exaggerated rhythm, more of the linking and connecting and sentence stress. So, break it down smaller, Vasantha, this week, and just really play around sentence by sentence, okay?
Okay.
So that you can get that mouth movement and get some of those things working a little bit more for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good job, Vasantha.
Your voice is important and needs to be heard. If you're ready to speak English clearly and with greater confidence, I invite you to start your free 7-day trial at pronunciationpro.com.